You are going to love the 2025 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.